Hi everybody, it's Miss Brotherton again with another video on how to make videos using your webcam and WeVideo for Google Drive. This time I'm recording it on my MacBook Pro, so it may be a little bit different. Plus I've picked up a couple of little shorter tricks since my last video. So I'm starting here in my Google Chrome app page, and I'm going to select WeVideo for Google Chrome. It's asking me to select account because I have two there, so pick this one. Now, if it asks you for permission, make sure you allow access. It lets you actually upload your files directly to Google Drive, so you want to let it do that. Now I'm on the WeVideo webpage, and we want to start a new project. So I clicked New Project, and you're going to enter the new project name. So we are going to call this Test Number 2. So I'm going to, after I type in the title, whatever title you want it to be, click Create Project, and it'll tell you it's creating. I'm choosing to start from a blank timeline for the time being. For the purposes that I'm asking my students to use this, it's the easiest way to go. So select blank timeline, and you see my sort of home page here. These are two videos that I've made previously. So if you've done videos before, you will see these. To record a video, you want to pick the record button. So click record. If you see this, you want to select allow because it accesses your camera and your microphone. I also suggest that you click the remember box, because if you click it now, you shouldn't have to click it again. Once you select those two, click close. And there I am. Hi everybody. So this isn't recording yet. You see it still says waiting in the top of the screen, or the green bar. So whenever I am ready to record, click record. Here's the webcam doing its thing. You notice the video quality on this one is a little bit better than the other ones. I'm not sure if it's actually because of the Chromebook or because of the internet or because I'm on a way better computer now. Who knows? But whenever you're done, click stop recording. If you decide that you want to preview what you've seen, click the play button in the middle of the screen. Here's the webcam doing its thing. You notice the video. And then you can click pause. Whenever you are pleased with what you have seen, click the Save button. Now this is not the last step, okay? While it says storing, it's only storing it on the WeVideo website. It has not selected to store in your Google Drive yet. So you'll want to make sure that you follow the next couple steps to make sure you can access it from Google Drive. There I am. This is the newest one. It shows you, timestamps and everything. So when you're ready to edit your video, you pick the clip that you want. See, the little hand is grabbing it now, and I'm going to drag it down here. Oh, it even tells you drag clips here. The little arrow popped out. Once you see that the green bar is lit up and you can see your little picture in the middle, that means your video is there. Now, if you're ambitious and you want to edit, have at it. For our very simple purposes today, we're going to go ahead and click the Publish button, this red button right up here. You can change the title for your edit. I'm going to also call this Test Number 2. Once you have entered your title, click OK. And it's going to ask you to wait a minute. And then you get this, one step away. You do have the option to connect directly to YouTube. That's a great thing if you want it. For my students' purposes, I've encouraged them not to do that yet. So once you get to this point, click Publish Now. It says your export has started. You'll get an email saying, yay, it's done. But for now, we're going to go ahead and check out our Google Drive. So I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go to drive.google.com. All right, so this is my WeVideo folder right here. Now, when you first sign up for WeVideo, it'll have a really long extension like WeVideo_K Brotherton or something or other. I just edited the title so it was shorter and, looked better in my drive. So select your video, or your folder, and you can see I have Test Number 2. So these are some old videos that I messed around with earlier, but we're going to select Test Number 2. and there's my video. Okay? You can, if you click this again, it will take you back to the WeVideo page. This all looks familiar. So that's just a quick way to get back to the page we were on before through your Google Drive. We don't need that for the time being. If I want to share this straight up, the way it is, select this box with a check mark, and then this button right here is share. All right, you can type in the email address of whoever you want to share this with. So for me, I'm going to type it to my private email address, and we're going to click share and save. If you are in the same Google app organization, you won't get this, but because I'm going from my school email to my private email, it is asking me that question. It will take a moment to finish the sharing process. And there we are. Click done, and you have now officially shared it. There are other ways to finalize your project, which I haven't figured out yet. But I think this should take care of most of your needs for the time being. Good luck. Sorry for the little jump, but I discovered that if you wait a little while in your Google Drive, another version of your video will pop up, and you'll get this right here. Test number 2.mp4, and I like this file better for sharing because if you select it like this, instead of getting a version you can edit, it actually pops up as its own little window, and it's easier to see. If you click this one right here, it takes you back to the WeVideo website eventually, and it gives you that whole screen with all the editing functions. Which is great if you're working on a collaborative project. If you want to record a video and then have someone else edit it, this is a great way to share it with them. Because this is how it shows up. So I hit play, and that's what I get. Instead of the very easy to use, just this. So you have two options. I wish I had a more technical explanation for why this one right here just magically appears, but it does, and I like it a lot. So I would suggest if you need to share something with someone that doesn't need to be edited by another person, you wait and you share this .mp4 file. Hope that helps.